Greater games dito sa final series, pero medyo kinulang lang down the stretch. What was your mentality like when your number was called para mag-contribute sa TNT?
Siguro for me, being ready all the time. Kasi alam ko kailangan mag-ready ako every game kasi alam ko tatawagin ako ng coach shot anytime kapag kailangan.
Alam mo, did you expect to have this kind of responsibility sa offense dito sa Game 3? Considering na, yun nga, medyo wala si Poy, so kailangan ng firepower ng TNT. Did you expect having this responsibility?
Yeah, kasi for me naman alam ko yung role ko dito sa team. Like, kung natatandaan nyo yung sinabi ni Coach Shot yung first game ko against Northport. Yun nga, like, kaya niya ako pinabalik dito, may konting kapal ba ng mukha. So, he knows. So, kailangan ko lang maging ready every game.
When you talk about yung preparation mo, particularly mentally, lalo na ng mga first 2 games, hindi ka masyadong ginamit, pero the moment na pinasok ka, ano talaga?
Siguro, yun yung advantage ko. Kasi, I've been in TNT na for almost 7 years na rin siguro. Siguro yung experience nandun. Then yung confidence naman lagi naman nandito. Yung nga lang kasi na short lang kanina, medyo kulang sa hangin.
And being one of the veterans, sa tingin mo yung nagiging problema kasi parang turnovers yung cause ng problems yun from game 1 to game 3.
Yeah, yun nga yung laging inaano ni coach na yung game 1 hanggang game 3 namin, dami namin turnover. Siguro we need to work on that. Kasi di bali lang matira namin, wag lang talaga mag-turnover.
Game 4, you expect the same, Almond?
Yeah, kasi yun nga, sabi ko like being ready lang all the time kasi alam ko si Coach Shot na yung trust niya yung trust niya sa akin ang laging nandiyan.
Thank you, Almond.
Thank you.